What's up? My name is Joseph James. I play for a band called No Suffer from El Paso, Texas, and I am an official Collision Drumstick artist. Very cool, very honored to be a part of the team. I do play the Collision 2B models, which I love. I am a heavy hitter. And there was one show before I made the switch to Collision where I broke 3 pairs of drumsticks. And I was like, something's got to give. So I am glad that I tried out Collision, and I am super honored to be a part of the team. I hope that you guys check them out. So the video I have for you guys today is a live playthrough of a brand new song called Penumbrum. That'll be coming out early 2024 on Silent Pendulum Records out of New York City. Again, this show was in Austin, Texas. We played with a great band called Thumbscrew. They just had their reunion show after 16 years, so it was a great time. Shout out to James with Texas Metal Collective, always taking care of us there in Austin, Texas. But again, my name is Joseph James. I play for a band called No Suffer. Please check out Collision Drumsticks. See you guys soon.